In the world of pipe welding, achieving strong, reliable, and durable joints is not just a matter of skill, it's also about having the right tools for the job. Among these tools, carbide burrs stand out as essential instruments that significantly enhance the quality, efficiency, and safety of the welding process. Whether preparing pipes for critical infrastructure or maintaining high standards in demanding industries, understanding the role of carbide burrs can make a profound difference in the outcome of any welding project. Let's begin by exploring one of the main tasks in pipe welding, where carbide burrs play a crucial role: beveling pipe ends. Before any welding can take place, the ends of the pipes must be prepared to ensure a proper fit and to allow for optimal weld penetration. This preparation often involves creating a beveled edge, an angled cut at the end of the pipe. Carbide burrs are the go-to tool for this task. Their exceptional hardness, derived from tungsten carbide, allows them to cut through tough materials such as carbon steel, stainless steel, and various alloys with remarkable precision and speed. This results in a consistently accurate bevel, which is vital for the integrity of the welded joint. Why is this beveling so important? When pipes are joined, especially in high-pressure systems like oil, gas, or water pipelines, the quality of the weld joint can determine the safety and reliability of the entire system. A properly beveled edge ensures that the filler material used in welding can penetrate deeply into the joint, fusing the pipes together securely. This deep fusion is essential for creating a weld that can withstand internal pressures and external stresses, minimizing the risk of leaks or catastrophic failures. The durability and sharpness of carbide burrs make them ideal for repeated use on even the most challenging materials, ensuring that every pipe end is prepared to the highest standards. Carbide burrs are not only crucial for preparation before welding, but also play a significant role after the weld has been completed. One of the common post-welding challenges is the presence of internal weld imperfections, excess weld material, spatter, or slag, that can form inside the pipe during the welding process. These imperfections, if left unaddressed, can weaken the weld, reduce flow efficiency, and even lead to long-term corrosion or blockage within the pipeline. Carbide burrs are expertly designed to grind down these internal imperfections, smoothing the weld and restoring the internal surface of the pipe. A smooth internal weld is more than just an aesthetic preference. It is a critical factor in maintaining efficient fluid flow and reducing the risk of turbulence and corrosion. In industries such as petrochemicals or food processing, where the cleanliness and integrity of the pipeline are paramount, achieving a smooth internal surface is often a requirement to meet stringent hygiene and safety standards. The unique cutting efficiency and precision of carbide burrs allow welders to access tight and complex spaces inside pipes, removing imperfections without damaging the surrounding material. Their availability in a variety of shapes, cylindrical, ball, flame, and more, means they can adapt to the specific geometry of any weld, ensuring complete and thorough finishing. Another area where carbide burrs demonstrate their value is in cleaning burrs from cut edges. When pipes are cut to length, the process often leaves behind sharp, jagged burrs or rough edges. These imperfections can present a hazard to workers and compromise the quality of subsequent welds. Carbide burrs are employed to clean and smooth these cut edges, producing a flush and precise joint surface that is ready for welding or fitting. This meticulous preparation reduces the risk of weld defects, such as porosity or incomplete fusion, both of which can undermine the strength and durability of the welded joint. The efficiency with which carbide burrs remove these burrs is matched by their ability to preserve the dimensional accuracy of the pipe. Unlike more aggressive cutting tools that may remove excessive material and alter the shape of the pipe end, carbide burrs offer controlled, precise material removal. This ensures that the pipe maintains its intended fit and alignment, a key factor in achieving reliable welds and safe pipeline systems. The wear resistance and longevity of carbide burrs also make them a cost-effective choice for repetitive edge cleaning tasks, minimizing downtime and tool replacement expenses. Beyond these specific tasks, carbide burrs offer several broader advantages that contribute to their indispensable status in pipe welding. Their versatility is unmatched, with a range of shapes and sizes that can be used with rotary tools such as die grinders. This adaptability allows welders to tackle a wide variety of pipe sizes, materials, and welding scenarios with a single set of tools. Their fast cutting action expedites both the preparation and cleanup stages of welding, boosting productivity on even the largest pipeline projects. Durability is another hallmark of carbide burrs. Crafted from one of the hardest materials available, They maintain their sharpness and effectiveness through demanding use, standing up to the rigors of heavy-duty industrial environments. This longevity translates into fewer interruptions for tool changes and lower long-term costs for welding operations. Perhaps most importantly, carbide burrs deliver a level of precision that is critical for meeting the strict codes and standards that govern pipeline welding, such as those set by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, ASME, the American Petroleum Institute, API, or the American Welding Society, AWS. The ability to achieve fine controlled material removal ensures that each weld joint meets or exceeds the required specifications for safety, strength, and durability. In summary, carbide burrs are more than just another tool in the welder's kit. They are a cornerstone of modern pipe welding practice. By enabling precise beveling, efficient removal of internal weld imperfections, and thorough cleaning of cut edges, they help create high-quality, reliable welds that stand the test of time. Their unmatched durability, versatility, and precision make them the preferred choice for welders tackling critical infrastructure projects around the world. Whether in oil and gas pipelines, water distribution systems, or industrial processing plants, the contribution of carbide burrs to the strength and safety of our pipelines cannot be overstated.